All right, here's another good question. Similar kind of thing. They give you some data. They only give you 4 points. Hopefully those are the only 4 points you have. So I've typed them in there in the table feature in decimals. And then I want to tell decimals to see if they're linear or give us some kind of a linear function to it. So it'd be y1 and then that tilde and then m x plus b. B, there we go. B, come on. Plus B, there. Oh, I forgot to put a 1 on that x. There we go. Okay, so that gives me my data. Can't really see stuff at all. Let's zoom out a little bit. 50, oh, there's the data over there, right there. Now, when you zoom in, take a look that every one of those points is bang on a line. And so the correlation coefficient should be very high. And you look here, sure enough, it's equal to 1. So they also give us the slope and the y-intercept. So my equation is y is equal to slope 0.3x plus 151. So that would be my equation of the linear function. Then they say estimate the maximum heart rate if at 44, 64, 76. So this is where you can go into decimals. Whoops. Go into decimals here and just type those numbers out. So x equals, what do they want? 44. Okay, where's my line? Right there. So there's my line. I tap on it. At 44, I'd assume that the maximum heart rate is 164. If I want 64, let's get rid of that. Put a 64 in. My line moves. I tap on it. At 64, maximum heart rate 170. It's interesting that they have maximum heart rate because this table doesn't look right. Because the older you get, your maximum heart rate goes lower. You don't have to know that for this question, but your maximum heart rate is supposed to be 220 minus whatever your age is. And so these numbers are quite a bit out. Anyway, it's a linear function. Correlation coefficient, we already saw that. That's exactly equal to 1. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that one.